Nestled in the beautiful island of Gili Trawangan is a 5-star resort that offers you luxury with a laid-back island vibe. This is Cocana Resort. Known for its beachfront location, stylish private pool villas, and incredible sunset views, this resort promises a mix of tropical serenity and upscale comfort. The east coast is the island's hub, packed with bars, restaurants, dive shops, and the main harbour. It is the centre for the nightlife in Gili T. The west coast is known for its quiet, laid-back atmosphere with sunset views and higher-end resorts, while the north coast offers a more peaceful alternative. It is known for Turtle Point, which is where most people can go out from the shore and swim with sea turtles. Cocana Resort is located on the west side of the island. The check-in process is relatively simple. They'll sit you down, offer you a drink and a cold towel. They'll take your passports, they'll match it to your booking and check you in. Room comes with a sink, mini fridge, kettle, teas, coffees. We've got storage, safe. Room is huge. His and hers. Shower head and rain shower. Universal plug sockets. TV, phone, sofa. Yeah. The grounds are very spacious. You have got buggy service as well if you choose to use it. Staff are very friendly and they'll always offer you a lift to your room or to reception. UK. Private villas, they've got their own pool. We've got a deluxe pool villa. So ours is a pool villa, but ours is shared with about 6 other properties. And you have the normal rooms, which just have a balcony. The pool area feels like a little oasis right in the heart of the resort, with plenty of sun lounges and loads of shaded spots. And when you're ready for a bite or a drink, the pool bar has that covered for you. It has a good selection of food items as well as loads of drink options. The resort also comes with a spa, which I didn't get footage of. And also a gym. The gym is relatively small, but I found when I used it, there wasn't many people using it at the same time. The resort also has a business centre and networking lounge where you can work if you choose to do so. The The main restaurant, Pacifica by Cocana, offers an international menu with dishes inspired by global flavors. They serve breakfast, lunch and dinner. During our time in Gili Trawangan, we didn't get the chance to try breakfast, lunch or dinner at the resort, only because there were so many options we wanted to try on the actual island itself. But the breakfast here looked fantastic. Cocana Sunset Club is a beachfront day club that offers food and fantastic drinks. It is a fantastic place to chill on the island. So if you're planning a trip to Gili T and looking for somewhere modern, luxurious and relaxed, Cocana Resort is the place for you.